if I forget a name, okay, because I am horrible at remembering names, and this is why I don't do speeches, I'll point to you guys and just throw the name up at me, okay? Right. And very good. Let's practice. The guy in the Senate who cries, or in the House of Representatives who cries a lot? Thank you. The guy who's screwing up this country, stamping on the Constitution. Wait, what was that? One more time? He just woke him up from his nap. He was about to shoot another 9 rounds of golf, and oh, he's in Hawaii. Oh, God bless him. Isn't that great? Aren't you happy we can pay for his vacation? Wow, it's really nice of us. When is it going to be our turn? Did Michelle go with him? Separate planes, yeah. Well, you know, come on. Why?